So what is hacking? When I say hacking, an image of a man in a mask typing into a terminal stealing your information probably pops up into your head. But the reality is, that's just not what hacking is about. Ultimately, hacking is gaining access to a device or network in which you don't have permission. But it goes much deeper than that. Some do it to gain insight or information, others do it to bring attention about something they care about. But all hackers share a similar mindset, in that everything is a computer and everything can be hacked. I think every kid at one point saw a cool scene in a movie and wanted to be a hacker when they grew up. I sure did. The fact of the matter is, hacking takes patience. One of my number one rules is never expect anything to work properly. Hackers must be able to think on the fly and overcome a variety of obstacles. Persistence is key, as if you don't fix issues now, you may never get around to do it in the future. To some first getting into hacking, it may seem as though systems are becoming unbreakable. It is the exact opposite of this, as a matter of fact. Yes, some mainstream hacking like WEP cracking and password hash cracking has become harder, but in a world so reliant on technology, the amount of exploits has grown exponentially. That is why there is a growing need for ethical hackers, and personal need to learn how to protect your systems and keep your privacy safe. Keeping your data safe is not about being unhackable. Everything can be hacked, phished, or socially engineered. You should suspect you are going to be hacked and already have been. There's a good reason why social security numbers go for a penny apiece on the deep web. It all comes down to the effort one must go to find your information, and the effort you go to retrieve it. There are many different types of hacking, but here are some of the most common. Let's start with black hats. These guys are the mainstream hackers in which hack for personal benefit like money or information. They are reckless and usually will destroy systems they hack into. Then there's white hats, the guys who get paid to be there. Also known as ethical hackers, these guys still can make some serious bank by securing companies' systems. They only hack with permission and do not cause any intentional damage. Gray hats get stuck in the middle. They may hack systems for personal gain, but usually only for information. They may vandalize a website or two, but do not seek to destroy the systems they hack. Red hat hackers seek revenge on black or gray hats who have hacked without permission. They may completely destroy a hacker's computer, but it's all in the name of justice. Finally, there's script kiddies. Now, almost everyone that began hacking at a young age was one of these. Usually behind the mic of an Xbox 360 threatening to down your internet with a DDoS attack or distributed denial of service attack. There was not much to fear with one of these guys. Huge thanks to all you Trojans that made it to the end, and this is LucidHackSecurity Tutorials here. Thanks for watching.